Afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road. Healthy, free, the world before me. The long brown path before me leading wherever I choose. Henceforth, I ask not good fortune. I myself am good fortune. Henceforth, I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Strong and content, I travel the open road. You road I enter upon and look around. I believe you are not all that is here. I believe that much unseen is also here. Here is realization. The past, the future, majesty, love. If they are vacant of you, you are vacant of them. The efflux of the soul is happiness. Here is happiness. I think it pervades the open air, waiting at all times. Now it flows into us. We are rightly charged. From this hour, I ordain myself loosed of limits and imaginary lines, going where I list, my own master, total and absolute. Listening to others, considering well what they say, pausing, searching, receiving, contemplating gently, but with undeniable will, divesting myself of the holds that would hold me. I inhale great draughts of space. The east and the west are mine. The north and south are mine. I am larger, better than I thought. I did not know I held so much goodness. All seems beautiful to me.